Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel, guys. I hope that you all are here and healthy. Today I will discuss about branches of biology. With respect to various large groups of organisms, biology is divided into three main branches. The first one is the microbiology. It is the study of microscopic organisms like virus and the most famous one, coronavirus, bacteria, microscopic algae, protozoan, and so on. And the person who specializes in the study of microbiology is called a microbiologist. Second branch is the zoology. It deals with the study of animals, and a person who specializes in the study of animals is called a zoologist. So basically, I am a zoologist. And the third branch is the botany. It deals with the study of plants, and a person who specializes in the field of plants is known as the botanist. Biology is a mother of 13 children. Let's talk about the first child, morphology. Wow, what a unique name. So morphology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of external structure, characteristics of plants and animals. As you can see, the external structure of a plant include the root, stem, leaf, flower and the bud. And the external structure of an animal include the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. The second one is the anatomy. It is a branch of biology which deals with the internal structure or organs of an organism, and in plants it deals with the arrangement of different types of tissues in root, stem and leaf. So this is the internal structure of a human, consists of brain, heart, arteries, lungs, bone marrow, stomach, liver, kidney, urinary bladder and so on. Subhanallah, this is the creation of our Creator. And these are some different type of tissues which are present in plants like parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem and the phloem. The third one is the histology. It deals with the study of tissues of plants and animals under a microscope. As you all know that our body is made up of cells. When cells combine together, they form tissue. When many of the tissues combine together, they form an organ. And when organs combine together, they form an organ system. These are some types of animal tissue like blood, bone tissue, epithelial tissue, cartilage tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and the plant tissue include the simple and complex tissue. Fourth is cytology or cell biology. It deals with the study of structure, how they look like, function, how they perform different type of function, how they reproduce, or how they transport material from one cell to another is called the cell biology. So in the center of the picture, stem cell is present. Stem cell is basically a specialized type of cell which have ability to form different type of cells in your body. So you can see that it's a magic cell. It can form the muscle cell, fat cell, bone cell, blood cell, nervous cell, epithelial cell, immune cell and the reproductive cell. The fifth branch is physiology. It is a biological study of the working of various systems of living organisms. For example, digestion, excretion, respiration, circulation, etc. Sixth is ecology, the scientific study of the relationship between plants, animals and their environment. It focuses on relationship between humans and the environment. It emphasizes the impact of human beings have on the environment and gives knowledge on how can we improve ourselves for betterment of humans and the environment. Seventh branch is embryology. It deals with the study of changes or events leading to fertilization and development of embryo. Like how the gametes, egg or sperm are formed, how they fertilize, and how a zygote develop into an embryo. In the next part, we'll talk about the further branches.